Please turn my kingdom back normal. Kingaplak.
Normal, why would I ever do that? Cherry, you know what to do.
I can explain. Oh yeah, come and beat me, Cherry, if you think you're worth it. No. Where am I? Let's swim to the surface to find out. This hill is very straight. Seems like some sort of obstacle course. Let's check it out. These look like enemies to me. They might have been sent out of the plane to track me earlier.
It's been a long time, Rookie. It's time to smash you into pieces for my dessert. Cornies, what have I told you to do with Melon? You'll pay for this.
What's this? Probably it can fit in that book. What's happening? This looks cool.